In the annals of American history, few institutions have shaped the landscape of society as profoundly as the United States Supreme Court. This august body has rendered judgments that not only interpret the Constitution, but also redefine the very fabric of American life. Today, we delve into some of the landmark Supreme Court decisions that have irrevocably changed the course of U.S. law and society. Our journey begins in the 19th century with the seminal case of Marbury v. Madison in 1803. This was the first instance where the Supreme Court asserted its role in reviewing the constitutionality of legislative actions. Chief Justice John Marshall famously declared that it is emphatically the province and duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. This decision established the principle of judicial review, empowering the courts to strike down laws deemed unconstitutional, a cornerstone of American jurisprudence. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and we encounter Brown v. Board of Education, decided in 1954. This case took aim at the pernicious doctrine of separate but equal, established by Plessy v. Ferguson in 1896. The Supreme Court unanimously ruled that racial segregation in public schools was inherently unequal, violating the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. This landmark ruling was a catalyst for the civil rights movement, igniting nationwide efforts to dismantle institutionalized racism. Another pivotal moment arrived in 1973 with Roe v. Wade, a decision that transformed the landscape of women's rights. The court held that a woman's right to an abortion fell within the privacy rights protected by the 14th Amendment. This ruling sparked decades-long debates shaping the national discourse on reproductive rights and the scope of individual freedoms. Moving into the realm of criminal justice, the decision in Miranda v. Arizona in 1966 safeguarded the rights of the accused. Stemming from the Fifth Amendment, it required that individuals taken into custody be informed of their rights to remain silent and to have an attorney. The Miranda warning has since become an integral part of law enforcement procedures, ensuring that confessions are not coerced but voluntarily given. In more recent times, the Supreme Court's decision in Obergefell v. Hodges in 2015 marked a watershed moment for LGBTQ+ rights. By affirming that same-sex marriage is a constitutional right under the 14th Amendment's equal protection and due process clauses, the court underscored the principle that marriage is a fundamental right afforded to all individuals, irrespective of gender. As we reflect on these monumental cases, it becomes clear that the Supreme Court's decisions have not merely interpreted the law, but have driven societal progress and challenged deeply entrenched norms. Each ruling is a testament to the court's role as both guardian and catalyst for change, constantly redefining the equilibrium between state power and individual rights. In closing, these landmark decisions highlight the dynamic nature of the U.S. Constitution as a living document. They remind us of the enduring power of the judiciary to safeguard liberties and promote justice in an ever-evolving society. As history unfolds, one can only wonder what future rulings will further shape the contours of American life, ensuring that the promise of justice for all is not a fleeting ideal but a perpetual pursuit. Subscribe to Politics RB.